Welcome back to Chain Rush. Today, we're diving deep into three cryptocurrencies that are dominating headlines and capturing the attention of investors across the crypto space: Movement, VANRY Chain, and SUI. These projects aren't just pumping based on hype. Each one is powered by unique technology, recent high-impact developments, and massive buzz in the community. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious newcomer, this story will help you understand why these coins are trending, what's happening behind the scenes, and what might come next. Let's start with Movement, or Move. Now, if you've been watching the charts, you know this coin just took a nosedive, dropping over 20% in a single day after Coinbase dropped a bombshell. Trading for Move will be suspended on May 15, 2025. No full explanation, just ongoing events. That statement alone was enough to send the market into a mini panic, with social media buzzing and price action reacting immediately. But here's what's really fascinating. Underneath this drama is one of the most advanced Layer 2 technologies in the Ethereum ecosystem. Move is the first Move EVM Layer 2 protocol, which means it combines Ethereum's ecosystem with the Move programming language, a language originally created by Meta for the Diem project. That's the same language that SUI and Aptos now use. This isn't some copycat layer. It's a bridge between two powerful frameworks, Ethereum's scalability and Move's security. With Movement, developers can launch secure, fast, and scalable smart contracts using open-source tooling. And even though the Coinbase news spooked the market, Movement Labs had previously secured a $100 million Series B funding round at a $3 billion valuation, backed by giants like Polychain Capital and Binance Labs. So while the price right now sits at around 20 cents, way off its all-time high of $1.45, the fundamentals haven't changed. The tech is strong, the backers are serious, and if the Coinbase suspension gets clarified or reversed, this could be one of the biggest comeback stories of the year. Now let's talk about VANRY Chain, ticker VANRY. This one's been steadily rising in both price and profile. In the past 24 hours alone, it's up more than 5%, and year-to-date it's seen over 78% growth. VANRY isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's laser-focused on entertainment, gaming, and digital experiences. And the big news, the launch of Neutron, an AI-driven app that compresses blockchain data with a mind-blowing 500-to-1 ratio. This isn't just a back-end upgrade. It's a major leap in making decentralized apps lightweight and scalable, especially for gaming platforms where fast, efficient data storage is critical. Built on Ethereum and Polygon, VANRY is a Layer 1 chain optimized for mass adoption. From its partnerships with Virtua Metaverse and the VGN gaming network to the new social wallet infrastructure, it's turning blockchain into something usable, fun, and social. They recently hosted the VANRY Vision event in Dubai, which brought together leaders from blockchain, AI, and gaming to showcase the ecosystem's growth. On top of that, they've launched new projects like PvP, a gamer-centric social hub, and Lens, a decentralized lending platform. With a circulating supply of under 2 billion VANRY and a price around 3 cents, VANRY might look like a sleeper, but all signs point to a Web3 chain built for real users, not just speculation. And then there's SUI, the wild card that's absolutely dominating headlines, and for good reason. Over the last week, SUI has exploded by over 60%, and the reason? Pokemon. Rumors began swirling when eagle-eyed sleuths noticed Parasol Technologies, a company acquired by Miston Labs, the team behind SUI, mentioned in the updated privacy policy of Pokemon Home. That one line triggered a frenzy of speculation. Could SUI be powering Pokemon's next big blockchain integration? If that turns out to be true, it would be the first major fusion of a top-tier video game IP with Web3 infrastructure. Even without the Pokemon link, SUI is already a beast. It's a Layer 1 blockchain capable of handling up to 297,000 transactions per second, with finality in under half a second. It uses Move, the same language as Move, but in a different architecture. It also features groundbreaking tools like Login, which lets you sign into blockchain apps using your Gmail or Facebook login. Add in sponsored transactions, an object-centric data model, and a native order book for DeFi, and you've got one of the most technically advanced chains on the market. SUI recently integrated wrapped Bitcoin through the SUI bridge, expanding its DeFi potential and onboarding BTC liquidity, and the market has responded, with SUI now trading around $3.46, up more than 200% over the past year, and still well below its January high of $5.35. Analysts are even predicting a $16 price target by the end of 2025 if adoption continues at this pace. From its lightning-fast performance to the potential gaming partnerships, SUI has positioned itself as not just a contender, but a category leader in the next wave of blockchain platforms. So what's the bottom line? Movement is battling through market turbulence with bleeding-edge tech and heavyweight backing. VANRY chain is building a community-first ecosystem where AI, gaming, and social experiences collide. And SUI, it's possibly on the brink of mainstream explosion, especially if those Pokemon rumors pan out. Whether you're here to find the next 10 times opportunity, or just want to understand where the future of crypto is heading, these 3 coins deserve your attention. The trends are real, the updates are fresh, and the technology behind each project is setting new standards in its category. Let us know in the comments, which of these coins are you most bullish on? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another Chain Rush update. Until next time.